Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Wipro's onboarding update. So in this video we are going to cover some of the important points like the January onboarding update of Wipro candidates. Next we are going to see the Wipro PRP exam information and the termination process at Wipro. What if you fail the Wipro training exam, then at which attempt you are going to get terminated from the company. Next is we are going to see some of the details about the Embark forms. We are also going to cover some of the common queries of candidates wherein the candidates are not able to access their portals, and some of the candidates have completed their PJP but also still their PJP the portal is not displaying that the PJP is 100% completed. So for all of these information, make sure that you watch the video till complete end. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates from our channel. And if you have not yet followed us on Instagram, make sure to do so, as we regularly upload job postings there as well. So first of all, the next onboarding update or the joining date from Wipro is 23rd of January. So this is for WILP candidates. Let me read out the mail to you. Greetings from Wipro. We are pleased to inform you that your joining in Wipro is scheduled on 23rd of January 2023. In order for a successful joining in Wipro, we would like to onboard you virtually on 11th of January 2023 for completion of your joining formalities. As per the information mentioned below, please click the below mentioned link for joining the onboarding virtually from your laptop or desktop. Please ensure that you have a good network connectivity in order to complete the joining formalities. So the onboarding date is 11th of January and the joining date is 23rd of January. So, and one of the important information is that recently all the candidates who are joining the company, they are being called to office and their training is happening in the offline mode only. So if you are also going to get your of joining from the company, you are going to get your joinings and you have to report to your base branch. Now next thing, if the portal is not getting updated, wait for some time. So some of the candidates have this query that their portal is not getting updated, even they have completed their PJP 100%, but the portal is not displaying that it is completed at 100%. Also some of the candidates are saying that their portal is not accessible or they cannot access the portal till now. So this is because you are not given the access till now. So don't worry, if your friend has got some mail and they are able to access it, it is just because they are given the authorizations. So if you are not able to do so, don't be in a hurry and do it now. Just wait for some time, everything will be accessible to you. Moving on to the next onboarding update is, so some of the candidates have got this kind of update that they have to complete their Embark forms, right? So this mail states that congrats, you are now one step closer to becoming a part of Wipro family. We would like to ensure that you have a smooth onboarding experience. Hence, as the next step, please proceed to Embark, our very own onboarding portal, to fill the joining forms and complete the rest of the onboarding procedure. So this update, if you have got this kind of update, then only fill your Embark forms and complete your Embark forms with complete details, and don't make any mistakes while completing. In the Embark form, we have to fill basic details like your personal details, your educational details, your work experience details, your address details, and your declaration form. If you have any doubts, you can check the playlist section of my channel. There is a playlist related to Wipro and I have uploaded a video related to the background verification. You can check that too if you have any doubts related to background verification of Wipro. Now the onboarding update of 2023 batch. So those candidates who have received their offer letter in the month of November, their onboarding will be around June and July. Okay, so many 2023 batch candidates are also like confused about their joining, that we have got the offer letters like this like past month only or past 2 months only. So your joining will be around June and July, and it can be delayed also, seeing at the current scenario. Before that, you might have your training and internship from the company. Next is, let's see some of the points related to the Wipro training exam. So Wipro training exam is easy only, don't be worried. Many candidates are making a like very big scenario that training exam is going to be tough and are we going to get terminated from the company. No, it is not a scenario. There is a very less chance that you are going to get terminated. Wipro training exam is very easy. You will be trained on basic concepts like English communication, your programming concepts, and that programming concepts will be like very basic only, not in too much detail. So it is very much easy to clear the exam. There will be 2 attempts will be given to you for clearing the exam. If you clear the exam in first attempt, you will be passed, and if you are not able to clear the exam in either of the two attempts, then the termination happens for the failed candidates. So I hope you have got the clear idea of Wipro training exam. So don't be worried about it, just make sure that you attempt all the sessions clearly. Now some of the candidates are regularly asking about the phase 1 joining. So phase 1, we have already seen that on 30th of December some of the candidates got the joining, and even there are many candidates who are yet to receive their joining. So I'm regularly telling you guys that joinings are expected in the upcoming months, that is between January to April. So please wait patiently and keep on applying to other drives as well. This is the only thing that you all can do, right? And also, if you are not if your PJP is not completed, make sure that you complete your PJP regularly and try to complete it as soon as possible. So this is only thing that you can do right now. So with this, we have completed all the latest onboarding update. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. Thanks for watching the video.